16-year-old Julia Giamona was born with cerebral palsy. She spent most of her young life in a wheelchair, but for the past 3 years, she's been able to walk with crutches.
I used to always take my chair. Now we just walk in, like straight in. It's like no hassle taking the wheelchair out of the car and putting it together. Now it's just like more freedom.
3 years ago, Julia was treated by Dr. Ahmed. The physical therapist and scientist teaches at the College of Staten Island. For 3 weeks, electrical pulses were sent to her brain and to different points along her spinal cord. They worked to stimulate her body's natural pulses and muscles, doing what patients with spinal cord injuries and disorders cannot do for themselves.
After this stimulation, the brain would be able to activate the muscle, and that in turn it improves the functional recovery after the injury.
After the treatment, Julia was able to climb the stairs with her crutches. She could bend her knees with some help, and she could sleep more comfortably with her legs bent on her side. Dr. Ahmed recently won a $250,000 grant from the New York City Investment Fund to help move his idea from the laboratory to the marketplace.
He's successful and he gets then approval to do this by the Federal Drug Administration. Then his plan is to set up a series of clinics around the city. So he's not only bringing interesting technology, but then he's got a network of clinics that can all hire a range of people.
So far, 7 patients with varying levels of paralysis have undergone the treatment. Dr. Ahmed says all of them have had some level of success. And while he cautions it may be too soon to tell whether those results are typical, he's optimistic. The grant money will fund a clinical trial at Staten Island University Hospital for 96 more patients. And Julia's hoping she's one of them, that more treatments and improving technology could mean that one day she won't need crutches either. On Staten Island, Amanda Farinacci, New York 1.